Have you ever wondered why someone teaching methods work well in certain classroom but fail in others? Learning a language is not only about grammar and vocabulary, but also about communication, interaction, and understanding how students learn.
Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. I'm Syeta Rahmanisrina, and today I want to introduce a textbook that I think is really interesting and useful, especially for students who study English education or language teaching. So, the title of this book is Understanding Language Teaching from Method to Post-Method, written by B. Kumara Vadivelu. So at first, I thought this book would be very difficult because it contains many theories about teaching and learning. But after I read it, I realized that this book actually explains many important things about classroom interactions, teaching methods, and how students learn languages. And honestly, this book changed the way I see education and teaching. So the next is about the book. So this book was published in 2006 and contains around 251 pages. So the book discusses many topics related to language teaching, such as language concept, learning process, classroom interaction, teaching methods, and post-method pedagogy. So, what makes this book interesting? Because the author does not only explain about theories, but also connects them with real classroom situation. So, the readers can understand how teaching works in practice, not only in theory. So, the book discusses many important things, many important topics related to language teaching. So, some of the main topics include language concept, learning process, teaching interaction, teaching methods, and post-method pedagogy. So, I think that topics are very important, especially for future teachers because they help readers understand how students learn and how teachers should teach effectively. Okay, one of the chapters that caught my attention is the chapter about learner-centered methods. This chapter explains that students should not only listen to the teachers, but also actively participate in learning. So I personally agree with this idea because students usually learn better when classroom feels interactive and comfortable. So another interesting chapter is about learning-centered method. So this chapter focuses on how students actually learn, not only on what teachers teach. So also, the book explains that every student has different learning styles, motivation, and understanding about the material. So, the teachers need to adjust their teaching strategies based on students' needs. But the most memorable part for me is the discussion about post-method teaching. So, the author explains that there is not perfect teaching method for every classroom because every student's and learning environment is different. So, because of that, teachers should become more flexible, creative, and adaptive instead of depending on only one teaching methods. So, the strengths of this book are definitely the detailed explanations and the deep discussion about these teaching methods. So, this book also connects the theory with real classroom practice, which makes the content more meaningful. However, some part use academic language and difficult vocabulary, so the beginners may need extra focus while reading. So, but overall, I still think this book is very valuable for learning in English education. In my opinion, this book is very suitable for university students, especially students in English education. Even though some parts are quite academic and contain difficult terms, the explanations are still meaningful and informative. So, I also like how this book encourages teachers to think critically and understand students more deeply. So, after reading this book, I realized that teaching is not simply delivering materials, but teaching is also about interaction, understanding students, and creating meaningful learning experiences. So, okay guys, so overall, I would recommend this book for students, especially in university, so future teachers and people who are interested in language education. So, this book help readers understand that teaching is not only about methods, but also about students' interactions and real classroom situations. Maybe until here my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this textbooks review can help you know more about this book and maybe inspired you to read it too. So see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.